Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to resize PNG images step by step. Whether you need smaller image dimensions for websites, social media, or file uploads, this tutorial is for you. Now, on your desktop, if you want to resize a PNG image, all you have to do is open Paint or any app you are comfortable with. Let's say we have a sample PNG image right here. When we click on it, you can see in the properties that it is a PNG file. To resize it, simply right-click the PNG image and open it with your preferred app. You can use Canva, Paint, or any other tool you like. For this example, we will use Paint because it is easy and simple. Once you are in Paint, if you want to resize the image, you can drag the edges to make it smaller. As you can see, the image gets smaller. But if you want more control over the size, you can go to the Edit menu or the File menu and look for the Change Size option. You can also press Ctrl W on your keyboard to open the Resize option quickly. For this example, we will use Ctrl W. We will set the size to 80, then press Enter. As you can see, the image will become smaller. If you want to make it bigger, just press Ctrl W again and enter a larger value. Once you are happy with the size, all you have to do is go to the File menu and click Save. This is a quick and easy way to resize PNG images using the default tools already on your computer. No extra software needed. You can adjust the dimensions and save the resized image in just a few clicks, right from your desktop using Paint. Now you know how to resize PNG images easily.